Welcome to Adventure to Noor Iman or Imra, the light of Al Madinah shining on the Muslim world, Islamic power or faith. Iman or Imra, the light of Al Madinah in the world of Muslims, experience the divine beauty, spiritual power, and peaceful legacy of Iman, faith, and Imra, leadership, that radiates from Al Madinah to the entire Ummah. This video captures the essence of true Islam, unity, and the enduring impact of Madinah's sacred light on Muslims around the globe. Let your heart connect with the message of unity, peace, and divine guidance. Topics covered: the role of Al Madinah in shaping Iman, Islamic leadership or unity, Imarat, the spiritual legacy of Prophet Muhammad. Al Madinah's influence on Muslims worldwide, a spiritual journey you don't want to miss. If you feel the light of Iman, don't forget to like, clockwise arrows, share, speech balloon, comment, bell, subscribe to Sunan to on. Let the light of Madinah guide your heart. Spread the message. This video is made for educational and spiritual purposes only. All footage and voice-overs are used with respect to Islamic values. Any historical references are based on authentic Islamic sources. May Allah guide us all on the path of Iman and righteousness. Iman is not just a word on our tongue. It is a light that guides us when the world turns dark. When the heart is full of faith, every hardship becomes a hidden mercy from Allah. Use emotional Quranic recitation in the background. Jod peaceful visuals of Salah, Hijrah, fasting, and patience. Great nations were not built by power, but by piety. Imra is not about ruling, but serving with justice, truth, and sacrifice, just like our Prophet. Use footage of community work, leadership, and Islamic civilization landmarks. In a time when haram is normalized and halal is mocked, staying firm on Iman is not easy. But remember, even a small deed done sincerely can weigh mountains on the day of judgment. Pair with dramatic visuals and Quranic warnings about the end times. Teach your children the words of Allah before the world teaches them falsehood. A heart raised with Iman becomes a fortress against Shaitan. Show gentle parenting scenes, Quran teaching, love and tarbiyah. Every masjid needs an imam. Every home needs a leader in faith. True Imra begins not in palaces, but in the prayer rows of the humble. Use Friday khutbah scenes, community guidance, and youth learning Islam. Your desires call you to the fire, but your Iman calls you to Jannah. Who will you follow today? Contrast scenes of temptation with peaceful scenes of dhikr, salah, and tawb. You may fall, you may sin, you may feel lost, but Iman, if even a spark remains, can reignite the soul. Visuals of repentance, crying in prayer, walking back to the masjid. From Medina to Andalusia, the Ummah rose on the shoulders of faith, knowledge, and brotherhood. Imra was built by hearts that feared none but Allah. Cinematic Islamic history visuals, Medina Charter, Salahuddin, Al-Aqsa. Sometimes Allah breaks your heart to fix your Iman. Trials come not to destroy, but to bring you back to Him. Use scenes of grief, isolation, then hope and spiritual rebirth. You were not born to scroll aimlessly. You are the builder of tomorrow's Ummah. Rise with your Iman. Serve with your strength. Lead with your heart. Modern Islamic youth, digital dab, building institutions, seeking knowledge. Quranic quotes with translation. Share this reminder. Someone's heart may need it today. Iman is your armor in a world full of arrows. It protects your eyes from haram, your hands from sin, and your tongue from lies. Strengthen your Iman before the dunya weakens your soul. Visuals, soldier in prayer, blocking temptation, angelic themes. No nation rises without prayer. Every salah is a brick in the house of Imra. Lead your home to Jannah by leading them to prayer. Show family praying together, masjid scenes, fajr rising over a city. If your Iman is asleep, wake it up with dhikr. Recharge it with Quran. Protect it with taqwa. Because when you die, only your Iman goes with you to the grave. Dramatic voice, silent night scenes, Quran light glowing. Dramatic voice, silent night scenes, Quran light glowing. Faith without action is like light behind a wall. Real Iman moves the hands, speaks the truth, feeds the hungry, and stands up for justice. Show Muslims in service, helping others, teaching, building masjids. Allah doesn't test your Iman with ease. He tests it with waiting, loss, fear, and trust. If you're patient, your reward is already written. Scenes of sabr during hardship, waiting, praying, crying, then smiling. Leadership in Islam is not a crown, it's a weight. The true leader is the one who fears Allah most and serves the people first. Cinematic scenes of Prophet feeding poor, Umar walking at night, Masjid leaders. Every sin puts a crack in your heart. Every good deed polishes it. Iman is the treasure of the heart, protected like gold. Visuals of treasure chest glowing with noor, angels guarding the soul. One candle of Iman can light 1,000 hearts. You don't need a platform to lead, just sincerity and action. Sure, dab in small places, kids learning, helping a neighbor. Without knowledge, Iman is weak. Without Iman, knowledge is dangerous. But together, they build the Ummah that shook the world with peace and justice. Visuals, ancient Islamic libraries, students of knowledge, Quran classes. You are not your clothes, not your passport, not your job title. You are a believer, chosen by Allah to carry La ilaha illallah. Scene idea, young Muslim facing identity crisis, finds peace in Salah. If you want a full script with voiceover text, subtitles, and background music suggestions, just let me know. Check mark Arabic, Urdu, or English check mark for YouTube shorts, TikTok check mark add Quran verses or Hadith check mark Nasheed background suggestions check mark ready to use video script. The world may shake, people may betray, but Iman gives your heart the calm that nothing else can. Trust in Allah, and the storm will pass. Scenes, stormy skies transitioning to calm prayer moments. On the day of judgment, your wealth won't matter. Your likes and followers won't matter. But your Iman, even if small, will weigh heavier than mountains. Visual idea, scales tipping with a glowing heart labeled, Iman, vs worldly symbols. Real Imara is not built by shouting slogans. It grows quietly when hearts turn to Allah, when homes are led by the Quran, when leaders fear the day of reckoning. Scenes of families, humble imams, students of Deen. Each good deed is a brick. Each believer is a builder. Together, we rebuild the Ummah, brick by brick, heart by heart. Visual, animated brick wall rising with words like Salah, Sab, Tob, Dab. When we return to Salah, Quran, and Sunnah, we return to power. The Ummah rises when we put Allah first again. Footage, Muslims praying together, masjids full, charity, peace. It's easy to believe when things go well. But when you are tested, alone, afraid, that's when true Iman shines. Don't let go. Allah sees you. Scene, someone in sajda in darkness, a light glowing above. Don't wait for leaders. Don't wait for change. Be the spark. Your Iman, your voice, your example, can revive the hearts around you. Scene, youth sharing knowledge, helping elderly, praying alone at Fajr. The world may pull you in every direction. But Iman gives you one direction, towards Jannah. Walk the path even if you're walking alone. Visuals, lone traveler in desert, footprints leading to light. Even if your heart feels dry, the seed of Iman is still alive. Just water it with prayers, Quran, and dua. Watch it grow again. Symbolic imagery of a heart with a plant